how to attach a zipper to the top of a bag. With wrong sides together, fold each side of the 16-inch or longer zipper at a 90-degree angle and stitch in place. Then open the zipper completely. With right sides together, position one side of the zipper along the top edge of the exterior. The folded end of the zipper should be about 1/4 inch from the side seam. When you get close to the opposite side seam, begin to taper the zipper away from the top edge according to the pattern. Make sure the zipper is completely out of the seam allowance. Sew the zipper in place with a 1/4 inch seam allowance and make sure to backstitch over the ends. Repeat for the opposite side of the zipper and exterior. After sewing, test your zipper to make sure it opens and closes evenly. There should be some of the zipper tape that extends past the stitching on both the front and the back. If needed, you can seam rip part of the zipper and adjust it and restitch so that way your zipper closes evenly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!